It's Hitchcraft. Hitchcraft.
Hello, today I want to tell you something about our Sprite Alpine that we've bought in November last year, and well, we had a hell of a job to make it a nice caravan. It had been stored in a shed for over 30 years, so the outside was quite poor, but it was all rock hard, and the inside was, well, quite original. Nobody had been tampering with it, so we thought, well, we'll buy it and see what we can make of it. And we had a lot of fun with it. We were to England last week, and we've visited the Bewley Museum near Southampton, where we made with a couple of other Sprites a display, because this year Sprite is existing for 75 years. Well, that's enough to talk about it. I want to show you something. For example, this is how we found our caravan. Well, you've seen us with the old caravan, you've seen us with the caravan at Bewley, and now I want to do a walk around with you to show what we've done. First of all, we're gonna walk around the outside. It was quite unique that all the lighting was all right. You see here the stickers of the Dutch dealer. My daughter remade it because we repainted the outside. You see also this orange triangle that was normally put on caravans in 1964. That's the year the caravan was bought. We had a lot of trouble to get those again because the other ones were very poor, and well, these one are Chinese production, and I've took out the center with a jigsaw. Here you see the original Sprite sticker. We bought them in England. They weren't cheap, quite expensive. An original NL sticker because the number plate doesn't carry an NL badge, so we had to put back the NL sticker like it was in 1964. Well, all the windows are original. The aluminium is a little bit, well, what can I say, it isn't in top condition, but it still works. The rubbers are okay, and as you can see, we repainted the whole outside, including the roof, which makes it very smart to look at. In the front you can see the place where a very big gas cylinder should be staying, but when you drive with it, the cylinder weighs over 25 kilograms, so it's too heavy to drag the caravan with the gas cylinder. So when we're on the road, the gas cylinder is in the car. Well, it's a little bit parked near to our garden, but as you can see, it's okay at all corners. There was a spot, maybe you can remember, of the movie when we bought it. There was a spot at the back side here at the strip that was dented. I've been able to repair it, and now it looks like there's nothing going on over there. Well, as you can see, a little bit of fun with these tulips in England. The English people said, yeah, you are Dutch, so you have to have tulips. Double door. I've painted everything so that it looks smart, and we redone the curtains with a little bit of cloth that I had hanging around at the attic. The toilet, it was a closet when we bought it, but I restored it as a toilet with a porta potty we bought for it, and that thing in the back is something to make your washing line, I think it is in English, at the back of the caravan. You can see it at the movie in Beauty. And as you can see, the inside is all fresh. We didn't have to repaint it, it was all fresh when we bought it. We just cleaned everything up. I did a little alteration. There was no electricity in the caravan, there was no water in the caravan, so I installed a little accu, a little accumulator that is used in elevators. It's inside this little cupboard downstairs. Oop. As you can see there in the corner, I made an electrical installation that runs on 220, 12 volts, and the little accu. So we have running water now. I'll show you. I made a tap. There wasn't a tap in the caravan when we bought it, but I made one from an aluminium pipe, and there was this dip in the sink. Now you can pull out this tap and you can move it around, and when you're driving the caravan and it's down, you can put it back into the sink. There's a little notch over here. You can, as you can hear, there's no water in the tank at the moment, but as you can hear, that's the pump trying to bring the water up. Well, and I didn't want to install electrical lights, but what we did is I made a little switch over here at the top of the cupboards, and there's LED lights. It's a strip lying on the cupboard, but where I am standing you can see it. But there is light, and there's a lot of light in the night. There weren't any hooks to put your clothes on, so we bought this little gadgets. It's from IKEA. It's quite smart. You can hook it onto this board over here, and you have a lot of places to put your clothes on when it's in the night. And also in the toilet, you can see the 2 hooks. We've made one over there. Well, the bed, it functions remarkably well. We slept in the bed when we were in Beauty, and we had good nights. Well, we bought an awning because the other one was, that one that came with the caravan was very poor. And you can see the poles over there, the blue thing under the table. And also in the movie of Beauty, you can see the caravan with the awning. It's, well, the green isn't quite fitting to the caravan, but oh, well, okay, that's how it goes with old stuff. Well, that's what I wanted to show you, and see you next time. Bye.
It's here.